I'm from a family with lots of love. That's something to be proud. A pastor's kid from Greater Heights, where everyone's allowed. To follow God with all my heart is what I have been taught. For Jesus has washed my sins away. Every stain, every scar, every blot,